Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn the projection of line which is inclined to VP. In the last problem we have seen projection of line inclined to HP and we have drawn its projections. So in this problem we are going to draw the projection of line which is inclined to VP. So as usual we need to draw the reference plane, that is XY, XK on the horizontal, so getting it. Okay, draw one reference line. Just click one XY line. Okay, this is XY line, give the dimensions and give text. Okay, here I need to see from here I need to start, right? So spacing will be 0.2 and rotation angle will be 0. So this is XY reference plane. Okay, this is my VP. In the VP I am getting front view. In the HP I am getting top view, right? And here you need to write down your name. So I am writing my name. GHRCE. Okay, so right click on here and press escape. So draw one projection line again. Okay, so this is basically the projection line. Okay, just convert it into cyan color. Okay, escape. So read down the problem. A line 175 mm long, the length of the line is 175 mm long, is inclined 30 degree to VP. 30 degree to VP means its view can be seen in the HP, that is its top view can be seen in the HP, which is inclined 30 degree to VP, right? And its one end is given 75 mm in front of VP, means one of the line, for example this is line MN, for example I have not written the line name MN. Okay, so it's one of the end is basically 75 mm in front of VP. In front of VP means its top view will be in the HP. So I am drawing one point, right, which is 75 mm in front of VP. So this is my uh, first point, first spacing, second spacing and third spacing. Okay, so this is my point M, right? This is my point M. Again, the other point location is given which is 50 mm above HP. 50 mm above HP means in the front view I am going to see its view in the VP, right? So 50 mm means I am drawing another point, right, which is 50 mm. So from the reference line, one spacing, second spacing. Okay, so this is another point. So what you can give, you can give the naming, right? So write down the text again. Okay, so here I need to write down, right, 0.25 spacing and 0 rotation angle. So this is my basically M, and this is my M dash. M dash. So this is, now I got the location of 2 points, okay, which is 75 top VP, right, and 50 mm above HP. So let us give the dimensions, okay, for your understanding. Okay, so dimensions, give a line. Okay, from reference line you select this particular point, and this is 50 mm. Again go to dimensions, select a line from this particular point and from this particular point, which is 75, right? So now this is clearly located. What you can do, you can convert this particular dimensions into triangular immediately, so you will not get confused. Okay, press escape. Now what you need to do, draw one projection line from this particular M and press escape, draw another projection from this particular M, right? So convert this particular line into cyan color. Right, now write down the problem. A line MN 175 mm long is inclined 30 degree to VP. 30 degree to VP means its inclination can be seen in the HP, that is in the top view, right? So what I am doing, I am taking one line and clicking here, okay, which is 175 mm means 1.75 75 AutoCAD unit, right? Then press tab, and how much angle it is given? 30 degrees. So press 30 degree and then click enter. Okay, so now this is basically the line, okay, which is 175 mm long and inclined 30 degree to VP, and its VP, because of VP we can see its inclination in the HP from the top view. So give the dimensions here, okay, for your understanding. Click here, okay, you can see this is 1.75. then go to dimensions, click on angular, click this particular projection line and this particular line, and you can see this is 30 degree incline. Okay, so now what you can do, here you just convert it into cyan color. Okay, now press escape. Okay, so just look at another point again. Okay, here, so this is another point. Yes, see, you can see that this is another point. Yeah, so I'm giving the naming. Okay, the text. Okay, yeah, I need to write down the name, for example here, and press escape. Okay, just press Ctrl J. Okay, give the text command, specify the point. So here is the point. Okay, specify height 0.2 and rotation angle will be 0. Okay, so this is my another point here. Okay, so from this particular point here, what I need to do, I need to draw one projection, okay, which is perpendicular to xy. Press escape, Ctrl J. Okay, so to clearly specify the point and to draw the position, just zoom in, okay, by using mouse. Okay, click here. So you are not able to select on this particular point, so what you can do, just unclick on the snap, right, and then give the point. So from here, right, now you can draw the perpendicular. Okay, so I have drawn the perpendicular. See, okay, so this is also the projection line, just convert it into cyan. So whenever you are drawing the projection lines, okay, you need to convert it into cyan color. Dimensions also you need to convert into cyan color. Only the true dimensions will be in the white color. Okay, so now this is the point of intersection, dear students. Okay, so what you can do, you go and selecting the point and click here. So this is my another point here, dash. Okay, and it will be true length or reduced length, right? So what I can do, I can convert, select on the line, I can click here and I can click in this particular point, right? Again, this is my reducing length, this is my true length. Okay, again what I'm going to do, I'm going to give the text command. Okay, point where I need to write down the names. Okay, and its height will be 0.2, right, and rotation angle will be 0. So this is my n dash. Okay, so this is my m dash n dash, that is in the front view, right, and its dimensions you can also basically give, right? So dimensions are very important to give, dear students. Okay, you need to define the figure. So this is basically 1.1514. Okay, so just check whether you have given all the dimensions what is desired in the problem statement. Line 175 mm long, so I have given incline 30 degree to VP, so I have given the inclinations, this is 30 degree to VP, having this 175 mm in front of VP, means 75 in front of VP, means this point will be seen in the top view, that is in the horizontal plane, and it's another point 50 mm above HP. So from this reference plane, this is 50 mm above HP. So we have drawn the projection. So this is basically the solution for the position of line inclined to VP. I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.